Luisenburg is close to the city of Wunsiedel in the Fichtel Mountains. It's best known for the Luisenburg Festival. There is an open-air theater where every year you have between June and September different performances with a lot of well-known actors happening there. Secondary, it's also well known for the Stone Labyrinth, which is directly close beside the festival area. So you can walk through the massive composition of granite stones on a round way. Most of the nature reserve is inside the stone labyrinth, which makes it not possible to become active from there. So I was also doing an attempt about 3 weeks ago and had to return because it started to rain, but it was good, so I could find a good location for the coming next activity or next attempt to be active from here. So finally, beside a resting place, there is a small hiking trail which is inside the nature reserve, and this was the location for the next hours. It was dry, however cold. When I started, the outside temperature was about 8 degrees. Coming to the end later, temperature was going down till 4 degrees. Place for antenna was quite limited, so with the second leg of the dipole I had to go between two trees, but finally the result was quite acceptable. So everything ready now. Let's start.
Q73, Italy Uniform 2, come again.
Italy Uniform 2, November, Kilo, Juliet, Milano, ciao Marco.
Italy Uniform 2, November, Kilo, Juliet, ciao Marco, you 5 and 9, over.
Okay, 5 and 9 plus for you in Milano, bye, 73.
Thank you, arrivederci, QRZ.
Sierra Oscar 7, Alpha Tango.
Sierra Oscar 7, Alpha Tango, hello, you 5 and 9.
5-9, thank you, bye-bye.
Thank you, pozdrawiam, QRZ.
Yankee Oscar 6, Charlie Foxtrot, Bravo.
Yankee Oscar 6, Charlie Foxtrot, Bravo, hello, you 5 and 9.
Marco, you 5-9 also, 73, 44.
Thank you, 44, good luck, QRZ.
Golf 4, Victor, Victor, Quebec.
Golf 4, Victor, Victor, Quebec, you 5 and 9.
Yeah, you're also 5 and 9, Curacao.
Thank you, lovely signal here, beautiful audio, 44, good luck.
Yeah, bye-bye, IC 7300, bye-bye.
Thank you, this is Delta Papa 44, Whiskey Charlie Alpha, QRZ.
Florida 2, Victor, X-ray.
Florida 2, Victor X-ray, good afternoon, you 5 and 9.
Roger, Florida 2, Victor, X-ray, you are 5 and 8, 58 in Bordeaux, name is Gerard, 73, bye-bye.
Thank you, my name is Manfred, 73 and 44, bye-bye.
73, Manfred.
Delta Papa 44, Whiskey Charlie Alpha, QRZ.
So 1700 in the afternoon. Sun is going down slowly. Conditions are going down as well. So time to close and making on the home way. By the way, also feet are extremely cold meanwhile at 4 degrees. So very, very successful operation. But finally 361 contacts in the log into 37 countries. Had also a great and long short skip opening on 20 meters with a lot of stations from Netherlands, Belgium and England. So thanks to everybody for calling. The way down the hill, of course, now much easier than the way upward. A last view to the beautiful scenery. Most of the people are gone meanwhile, and it seems that I'm one of the latest visitors here in the area. On the parking bay, found the car also as nearly latest there, and finally back after 500 meters walk. So thanks for watching and see you soon again. Bye bye and greetings.